everybody, my name is Jess Hover. I am a mom of 3 and I'm super excited to be here on behalf of Baby Center to tell you all about Munchkin's TheraBurpees with essential oils. This is their colic and fever rescue kit. It is a game changer, and if you are a parent of a little tiny baby, you are gonna want this. Let me tell you why. This is a multi-purpose treatment kit that uses hot and cold therapy in combination with a specially designed burp cloth to soothe a variety of baby ailments, particularly colic and fever. These burp cloths are 100% cotton. They have multiple built-in pockets that hold gel packs that can either be heated up in the microwave or frozen. They harness natural remedies to help ease discomfort. The heat is good for colic and upset stomachs. The cold is good for inflammation or teething pain. The heat can even be super nice for breastfeeding moms who are struggling with clogged milk ducts, having mastitis. And if your family likes to use essential oils for the wellness benefits that they provide, they have an option for you to include the Soothing Blend or the Wellness Blend. This is Munchkin's TheraBurpee with essential oils, the colic and fever rescue kit. You're gonna wanna use it whenever your little babe gets sick or doesn't feel too good. We believe in you. Thank you so much. Bye.